Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Kustomer. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kustomer.com and press enter. Make sure that you type the customer with a K and you will be taken into the official Kustomer website. Now from the home page, click on request demo if you wish to sign up. You will then be asked to enter all of your company details. Go ahead and enter your company email address and then type in your first and your last name. Finally, enter the organization name and type in the number of support representatives that you have. Then click on the book demo button and you will be able to book a time slot to confirm a meeting with Kustomer. After your meeting has been confirmed and your meeting commences and everything qualifies, your account will officially be signed up with your email address and your organization name. Just go through the verification process that you receive within your email and you will officially be signed up with your organization on Kustomer. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Kustomer. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.